My name is Sira Boats, occupational therapist, dementia specialist, and a daughter of dementia. And I'm also the founder of Boats Memory Method, where we are providing you hope on the dementia journey. Today, I want to answer a question that I get a lot from our community, and that is, how do I access Boats Memory Method services? So let's talk about the different needs and the different audiences. Let's talk first about our loved ones living with dementia and their care partners. If you have traditional Medicare and a lot of the different Medicare supplement plans, you can access Boats Memory Method services fully covered through our home care partner. Home care means you're getting therapy services and nursing, if you need it, delivered in your home. And this is covered by those different insurance companies that's Medicare based. And the company that we partner with, our exclusive home care partner, is Concierge Home Care. That's CONCIERGE, Home Care. And they provide those services in the home, fully covered by your insurance. Concierge Home Care provides in-home services across the state of Florida. We have now, I think, almost 29 branches that we service, including Tallahassee, Panama City, down through Orlando, into Melbourne, into Port St. Lucie, and through Sarasota, and all the way to the East Coast and the West Coast. So I can almost assure you 100% that if you live in Florida, you will have access to a trained, boat certified team of home care specialists that can service you in Florida. So that is as far as the home care, in-home therapy, nursing piece go, and how you can access Boats Memory Method. Our second tier of services are with our senior living communities. And a great example is here in Gainesville, Florida, is the Village of Gainesville, which use Boats Memory Method as their preferred dementia care partner. All of their associates are trained in Boats Memory Method approach, and they utilize a concierge home care occupational therapist on campus that support all their persons living with dementia with a comprehensive cognitive assessment, as well as strategies to age in place with interventions, recommendations, and a care plan that can be used by the loved ones, the care partners, and the associates on campus. I also get asked by other senior living communities, how do we access Boats Memory Method? Well, there are two avenues to do that. As a senior living community, you can partner with Concierge Home Care as your preferred home care partner, which will cover the therapy and the assessment of your person. But then you can partner with Boats Memory Method, and we can work on a package for you on how we can service your community with education, resources, clinical pathways, decision making, maybe assessing your environment for strategies on having a dementia safe space, as well as training your staff in utilizing the memory bouquet, elevating their dementia sensitivity and their dementia IQ. And we pride ourselves in education, in equipping staff and empowering staff so that you will have better outcomes in your facility. We provide dementia sensitivity trainings where we bring a simulation kit in with earphones and goggles and gloves and special trick for the shoes in order to simulate what it may feel like to live with the sensory decline that our persons living with dementia are suffering from. So we have different packages available for senior living communities, for education and for resources, both for their staff and then through partnership with Concierge Home Care for their patients. And then last but not least, we service each individual family and loved one on a private level. So if your insurance does not cover in-home care, or if a family decide that they want to pay out of pocket for dementia consulting services in the home, then my team and we can come in and do a comprehensive safety and cognitive assessment of your person in the home, provide you with a comprehensive care plan that you can share with your family members, with other care partners, with physician groups and neurologists, so that all of us have the same baseline for this journey that your loved one is on, and that we can all support you in the same effective way. We also offer services to skilled nursing facilities with education for them, to rehab facilities to help elevate their dementia sensitivity, IQ, and knowledge. So our approach really is very comprehensive. We have empowered elder law attorneys with pathways and strategies on how to better serve the dementia population. We have empowered restaurants and their employees on how to serve persons living with dementia. So this Boat's Memory Method approach is a great pathway for different decision makers that are motivated and want to do better on this dementia journey. I hope that this little segment helped you to better understand what Boat's Memory Method is and how we can support you and your loved one. I do want to highlight too that we are now going to be rolling out Guide with our partner Mobile Medical. It's a very special Medicare pilot program. If you want to learn more about Guide, look for our Guide video on YouTube that explains that explicitly. If you need more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out, and also go to our website where you can sign up for our free newsletter, and that's boatsmemorymethod.com. We'll see you soon.